Hi, I'm Deb Perelman, cookbook author and the creator of Smitten Kitchen, and this is a little bit bigger than my usual kitchen in Manhattan, New York, but I'm here in California this week celebrating Thanksgiving with William Sonoma. It's so good. Right now, I'm gonna make the syrup portion of the pomegranate and orange peel fizz. We're gonna start by lopping off the ends of the orange, which is the easiest way to get the peel off, because we're gonna use these peels in this syrup. We wanna cut right down to where the white ends and the fruit begins. And then we are going to take these peels and we're gonna place them in a saucepan with a cup of sugar and a cup of water. And then we're gonna bring this to a simmer. We are going to take the orange that we've just taken the peels off of, and we're gonna cut the rest of it into 8 slices. I wanna take half these slices and cut them in half. Once this orange peel syrup comes to a simmer, I'm gonna simmer it for 15 minutes, let it cool completely, strain it, and then we'll use it to finish the cocktail. We're gonna start by putting a couple orange slices in the bottom of our glass. This is the fun part, we get to muddle it. It's nice because they're really juicy and you get so much more flavor when you muddle it in. From there, we're going to fill it about halfway with ice. And from here, we're gonna add our orange peel syrup, nice splash and a half, and some pomegranate juice. So nice. Go about halfway with that. And then we're gonna finish it off with some seltzer for drama and color. It looks so good. And finally, just to make it extra pretty, because it's the holidays, we're gonna finish it off with an orange slice, and we'll use some fresh pomegranate if you have it, because it looks so nice on the cocktail. I love this cocktail for the holidays. I love the color, it's so pretty. Everyone gets to enjoy it, and it really just tastes like the season. Cheers.